Right guys, and hi everyone, this is me, Racing Wolf, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, you see this Shelby GT500, and well, maybe I'll be able to test one of these, I don't know. It's going to be picked up by instructor, and this is again DriftLimits venue, as you can see, and again I'm going to test one of the supercars. Maybe this one, I don't know. You already can read it in the description down below. Me, I still don't know, so let's go on the track and let's see which car I'm driving right now. Let's do that. Right guys, another left-hand drive car, me, Mason and DriftLimits. Let's try this car, let's go.
Right, so keys are up on the top left-hand side there.
Here we go.
There you go. So with this one, all you have to do is press the clutch down, turn the ignition on, and then hold down the engine start button just down here.
Like that.
And then hold down the engine start, clutch all the way down. Life.
Oh my goodness, it's already scary.
Right, so with this one, obviously it's rear wheel drive, can be a little bit twitchy as well. You'll definitely, once the back end starts to go, you'll feel it starting to go. I'd say give it a good few laps to warm up the tyres, but once it grips, it does grip very well. Not many electronic assists in this. The traction control is not too bad, but yeah, I'll take this one a little bit easier, and then once you're comfortable with it, you can start to push it a bit more.
Got it.
Right, you ready to go and see what it's about?
Yep.
Perfect, into first gear, and when you're ready, we'll pull forward to them orange cones.
Whoa, it's so massive. Oh my god, that is American bull.
Yeah.
That is a bull.
Right, when you're ready, we are good to go. So once you're in third gear with this, you can leave it in third, alright? There you go, up to third, up to third, up to third, there you go. Feeding the power down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, and drift out to the left a bit, through the middle. So we've just got the radical behind us, so we'll pull into the second slow lane, into the left, through the middle, into the left. There you go, follow into the right. And then on the left hand side of these tyres, we'll just pull in and let the radical pass, alright? Right, when you're ready, we're good to go.
That is one of your instructors on the radical.
Yeah, doing a hot lap for one of our customers.
He's amazing. I'll be back to do the hot lap, mate.
Maybe come back and do some driving in the radical sometime.
Oh yeah.
The Atom as well. That's it. Power it down the straight. Onto the brakes. Lift off into the right. Keep it tight to the right. Drift out to the left a touch. Through the middle. Into the right. Follow into the left. Through the middle. Into the next left. Onto the brakes. Lift off into the right. Out to the left. Cut your line across the middle. Leading the power down the straight. Onto the brakes.
Is it heavier than Tesla?
I'm not sure, to be fair. I have a feeling the Tesla's heavier.
I have a feeling the same.
But I think this is just the way it's set up. It's just not as sounds stupid saying the Tesla's track focus, but that's more track focus than this. The way it's set up on the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, drift out to the left a bit, through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, tighten up, into the left, onto the brakes. tight to the right, through the middle, out to the left a bit, back through the middle, into the right, to the left, through the middle, tighten up through here, into the left, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, out to the left, cut your line across the middle, out and down the straight, onto the brakes.
Now I know why in the movie Gone in 60 Seconds he was so scared of this car.
Why is that? Because it's an animal.
It's a rodeo, mate. It's a bull, you know. It's just so powerful.
So power down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, go out to the left a bit, through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, tighten up through here, into the left, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, out to the left, cut your line across the middle, power down the straight, onto the brakes now, keep going to the left a bit more, there you go, onto the brakes, into the right, then go back through the middle, into the left, power down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, out to the left a bit, through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, tighten up here, into the left, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, out to the left, cut your line across the middle, power down the straight, onto the brakes now, into the right, then go back through the middle, into the left, power down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, through the middle, out to the left a bit, through the middle, into the right, to the left, easy on the power, tighten up, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, out to the left, across the middle, power down the straight, onto the brakes, that's it, slow it down for this corner, into the right, back through the middle, into the left, medium power down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, easy on the power, that's it, come off the power a touch, into the right, follow into the left, easy on the power, tighten up, follow into the left, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, out wide to the left, cut your line across the middle, power down the straight, onto the brakes now. Right, so we'll go around for one more lap, into the right, back through the middle, into the left, power down the straight, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, tighten up, keep it tight, sit out to the left a bit, through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, tighten up, into the left, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, out wide to the left, cut your line across the middle, power down the straight, onto the brakes now, and then when you're ready, pull back in. Do you know what? I'm not just saying this, but I have to say that is the fastest I think I've been round the the track in this car before.
Are you serious?
I've never had anyone fully push this car, and I'm proud to say, yeah, that is quite possibly the fastest I've been around the track.
Oh, thanks, mate.
And even for you guys watching, if you think it looks slow, you need to come here and well, you need to get in a car with him and let him take you out.
Yeah, definitely.
Enjoy yourself.
Oh, mate, thank you very much.
No worries.
That is brilliant, amazing. And you guys, follow, subscribe, and big thanks to my instructor.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for letting me take you out.
Thank you very much, mate.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Brilliant driver.
DriftLimits. If you want to try it, DriftLimits. The website in the description down below.
Yeah,
thank you, mate.
You're welcome, guys. Subscribe to his channel. Brilliant.
Oh, thank you.
Lovely to meet him.
I already have 5 more subscribers on this venue. Yeah. Right, guys. So this was Shelby GT500. Loads of emotions, the noise, okay, bulky heavy car, but the noise and everything, just amazing. Well, you heard everything on board, hopefully if you could hear it, because the car was really noisy, so I don't know if my mic picked up any sound. But guys, for you, thanks a lot for watching this video. Hit the like button like we said, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment what you think about DriftLimits, what you think about the Shelby GT500, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, as usually, I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.